Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today is a Sunday. And if you're a Jamaican, you actually know that today is like a cooking day. Everybody in the kitchen today. I used to see my father in the kitchen on a Sunday. And a Sunday would be his day for him to cook. And we all would enjoy when he cook on a Sunday. So,
Just
you know,
like
my grandmother would normally cook before she got to church. So she wake up like this time now, she would be cooking and finish to go to church like 11 and stuff. But today, Miss Jam Tours is adapting some Jamaican style. And what you cooking now?
Pumpkin soup.
She cooking pumpkin soup family. And I teach her the Jamaican style with coconut milk. This is some scallion. And we have some thyme inside. You know, and you boil the pumpkin, right?
Yeah, and I've blended it already.
Okay, you blend it. So we're making nice coconut pumpkin soup family. And what else are you going to make for us today?
This is for Hamesh. This is Hamesh food.
This is Amish food.
Pumpkin and green and olive oil.
Okay.
And then I'm making Jamaican rice.
So she's making Jamaican rice family, and I got to show you what it looks like. You guys are gonna comment and tell me Miss Jam Tours pass. This is the peas, right? But it's not like the red peas.
It's not really the red piece, so I'm very sure.
Take off the cover, let me show them.
I'm sure the rice will be as red.
Yeah, but it's not really the red peas. This one is
It's not like the one I used last time.
Okay.
Unfortunately, my store didn't have the red one.
Yeah, so family, we're gonna show you, we're gonna tell her she pass.
And these
And
are
next time,
cucumbers.
what is this?
These are cucumbers.
What you'll be making?
I'm making some cucumber juice.
We're gonna make cucumber juice.
Yes.
So we're gonna light up the juice and show you all of
So
that.
that, you
But
know,
for now, we're cooking some pumpkin
Pumpkin
coconut soup. So you want to add it now?
yeah, so that they.
Alright, so add it, make it cook. So first family, you have to boil down the coconut so it get the flavor.
Yeah.
And if you know Jamaican style, we make rundown in Jamaica. That's how we'll do it.
Yeah.
We'll actually cook it, make it round down, make the coconut go down, and give it that nice flavor family.
To give it a nice flavor.
Yeah.
So now I'll put up the other coconut. That one. The one for
Okay,
making the rice.
guys. I need to show you all of that, guys, because I don't know, most Jamaican and most people worldwide, maybe if you're living in diaspora Jamaican, you can't get coconut like this family. You have to be using coconut milk.
The milk, the condensed one.
But we actually in Kenya, we're getting real coconut, and look how this milk
And it was
is
so thick and rich.
rich.
And oily and
So what else I need to add to this now?
to that scallion.
Scallion.
To do the scallion.
Need to add thyme.
Thyme.
Yeah, family. So if you know the Jamaican style, you know the Jamaican style. This is our scallion here, family. It's real and organic from the root of the earth.
Yes,
And this is what it looks like, family. Allow this to cook.
Yeah, I want to transfer it to the other fire.
Put this down to cook,
So
family.
that I bring that big one.
Yeah, family. I want to show you guys some of our seasoning, family. This is the sage, the thyme, the oregano. This is some real coconut oil, family. Let me show you. So this is like some of the things that we use here in Kenya, real organic from nature. This is some Brazilian nuts and walnuts, some pumpkin seed, and a lot of stuff, some herbs from Vegan Choice Foods. So check out the website, family, Vegan Choice Foods. If you need a cleanse, if you need a detox, as you know, family, health is a part of wealth. And if you've been eating processed food and all this food, you need, this is actually natural salt. Crystal stone. We normally drink this with hot water in the morning, family. It's good for detox. Put it in a cup like this. Just put a block in your water and drink it every morning before you wake up, family. This is some olive oil. What do you need to do now?
To make Hamesh food, it's
So this is how we make Amish food. Pumpkin with some greens, and we add some olive oil and a little salt, right?
Yeah, well, it has salt. I make the salt
Okay.
boil together with the food.
Okay.
So I just put some.
Alright. Yeah, family. So the pumpkin is actually boiling there. The pumpkin soup.
Yeah.
That's like appetizer.
When people are cooking, the kitchen is always.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, so as you can see, rice is there. Need to blend some more.
Yeah.
That's Amish food.
There's a mesh for it. It's nice.
Pumpkin is well in their family, and the rice and peas, Jamaican rice and peas. You need to have the thyme.
Yeah, I need to add thyme there.
Mhm.
I'll do that.
You wanna taste it and see?
So I have his dish here.
The family.
This made that up here.
Yeah, family. Let me taste some mesh food. Wow, it's nice.
Yummy.
It's nice, family.
So I'm gonna take for them outside. Mesh is getting fresh air outside.
Yeah, this is Amish food, family. So let's go. Let's give Amish his food.
Yeah.
Taste it and tell me. Add a little salt. Tell me if it's alright.
So that, yeah, I'm sure it's perfect.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, the pumpkin soup is so nice. Just taste it and let me know if it's alright. It's alright? Yeah,
nice.
family. So I'm gonna allow Miss Jam Tours to finish up cooking our Jamaican rice. As you can see, the coconut milk is boiling. She's gonna add peas. Then you had your rice. And family, these are some of the fruits I have here with me today.
I'm going to add
Some bananas, some
peas,
sweet sap,
some love.
some mangoes, some cantaloupe, some avocado, some papaya, some passion, some key lime right there, family.
We're gonna add some love,
What you gonna add?
love,
Yeah.
peas, everything.
Yeah, family, so continue watching this vlog. It's a Sunday and it's a cooking day. Family, so Miss Jamto is working on her Jamaican rice, so she added a little coconut oil.
I don't
So
put
much
a
of
lot.
it is-
No, I'm trying to like remove it from the spoon. It doesn't.
Remember to, well, I guess that's fine, even though you have coconut in it, but it's flavorful. Let's add it. That's just Miss Jamaican cooking style, Miss Jamto's Jamaican cooking style. So what you gonna add next?
Scallion, I want to
You're gonna beat the scallion,
let me prep it.
and then you put the
Last
thyme.
time it was so flavorful. I
Yes,
guess
maybe you
I'm
can
gonna
beat the
put
scallion
like-
with the thyme sweet if you want.
Oh yeah.
So maybe a new way.
I don't know whether this will be enough. Should
I think that's fine.
That's fine.
Scallion. In Jamaica, still we just put it as older.
As it
Like
old.
we just mash it with the knife and just put it like that.
Ah.
But I think if you beat
I
it,
think
it's
when you
better.
beat it, it's much better.
You get the flavor in and stuff.
Yeah, cause I
Yeah.
remember last time I just beat it and it was much nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right, family. So let's Miss Jamtros fix this scallion. You add the thyme and you beat.
Yeah.
This is how you're cutting it.
Yeah, and then I beat it inside.
Okay. Yeah, family. This is how you what you call this
Scallion.
this thing.
Oh, that one. Okay, do I know?
Okay.
Tell me.
In Jamaica we call it a mata. Like a.
Oh, it's different from the.
It's like in Jamaica we have a big thing called mata where you used to like beat up chocolate to make chocolate tea.
Ah,
It's same like this. It's just a smaller version.
okay.
And we used to beat things up. But this is good. I discovered this in actually Kenya. They have this. Either you go in the supermarket or anywhere, you'll see them have this actually to beat. It's very nice to beat up your
Oh, you meant
spices. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were asking me this green one.
Wait, what do you call it?
A pestle and this and that.
A what?
Pestle and mortar.
Oh, pestle and mortar. Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah. I like doing it.
So you're gonna add the thyme to it? You see?
Yes.
So you're gonna add the thyme.
Yeah, you can do that.
This is the thyme. In Jamaica we have real thyme. They have real thyme here too, don't you?
The one we got from the supermarket, not from the
From the
supermarket,
market.
from the market in Gara.
Yeah.
You mean the one that has been harvested, not sure?
Yeah, not this one that they packaging and all.
Yeah. And I guess that one is much flavorful.
Yeah.
I see it when I'm watching the Jamaican vlogs.
Yeah. This is how you beat it, family. Beat it like a slave.
Who could help me?
I'm helping.
Kindly. Because you're much stronger than I.
I can do like this if you want.
Okay.
Then you add it. I am messing with the place. Then the family, then you add it.
Okay.
Add it.
Alright, just put
You can get
it inside.
I want you to get up with it.
Okay.
Then you get up with
Alright,
it.
I've got it now.
Add it here. Nice. Nice. So you're gonna add your peas in it.
Let me rinse out the thing.
Yeah.
With
So you have the pumpkin water,
no, I just use this.
Okay. It's better.
And
Rinse it out.
to rinse out my what?
Yeah, family. So let's start the peas, and then you're gonna add the rice, and I'll come back and show you guys what this Jamaican rice look like today. This is the peas.
Just that I'm afraid it's going to be extremely red like the other one.
You
but
like
it's-
when it's red?
Yeah, it's much. I
Yeah,
guess
family.
it
So
has
she
the
like it
colour.
when it's red. You had salt and thing already.
Okay.
A little salt. This is the pink salt, family. Celtic salt, pink salt. It's the real salt. Yeah, family. So as I was saying, guys, this is a baobab fruit powder. You can get it at veganchoicefoods.com. It's rich in so much mineral. You can add it to your fruit smoothie and stuff. So, guys, let's go. While we wait on this Jamaican rice to see if Miss Jam Tour fail or pass this Jamaican rice test. Tours,
Yes,
what you doing?
I'm doing the dishes.
You know, we sample the soup.
Yeah?
We sample some of the soup now.
Alright. That's okay.
Miss Jam Tour is doing the dishes. I want to sample the soup. Just a little bit. Soup.
Like multitasking.
The rice is cooking there. Alright.
Alright, let me.
Spoon for soup.
Mm.
Yeah, family. So this is the soup. Wow. One more. Wow. So nice. Appetizer. Open up the appetite with some pumpkin soup, family. Let me devour this now. Wow, family. This soup was so nice. I could drink it every day. Yeah, family. It was a nice bowl of soup, and I really enjoyed it. Thanks to Miss Jam Tours. Miss Jam Tours cook shelly rice. No bag over rice. They say it's 1-1.
Yeah. Does it look like ugali?
Okay. So yeah, so it's a rice cooker.
I can say I'm a rice cook and I don't use. There's a pot specifically for cooking rice.
Well, it's a rice cooker.
There's a rice cooker, so.
Yeah, family. So tell me if Miss Jam Tours cook the rice good. Let me taste it too. Let me taste a little piece. Let me
Yes,
taste it.
I'm a rice cooker. As you can see,
Let me taste it.
it's too hot. I don't
It's
know.
hot.
Ah,
It's not red, but
it's white Jamaican rice. We already told the audience. Imagine I thought I had the red beans, like the red beans.
yeah,
Unfortunately, we have to use what we have.
yeah. Where we have and use we have. Nice.
Still flavorful.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah,
No.
family, that was Miss Jam Toast rice. It's just simmer down, no bag over rice, and the rice is shelly and nice. Yeah, family, so I never get to finish the vlog yesterday, but I just want to finish it up in the morning, family. And guys, I'll have to make a video in the morning actually to show you guys what I have to do. I have to wake up before 8 to make Amish morning food, family. But I just want to show you guys, this is like the cucumber juice that Miss Jamtros made yesterday. And I just want to show you what she did. And I can just end this vlog for you while I continue what I'm doing. I'm going to make a fruit smoothie. And I'm going to show you how I do that. This is Miss Jamtor rice from yesterday, family. And this rice is actually come from Kenya. This is the rice, Pearl Pishori, Kenya Pishori rice, long grain. I just want to show you guys that, Africa, we have our own stuff, we have our own food, own everything. All of these things are products from Kenya, family. Amaranth flour, everything, family, everything is from Kenya. Not no China rice or rice from Thailand. We have our own rice here in Kenya, family. So I just want to show you that. And what I'm making here, family, is some Jamaican banana porridge. And this has coconut milk with the green banana blend up, and we use it to make porridge, family. This is what I'm doing right now. And after I made Amish food, I made this porridge. This is like a family porridge. Everybody will drink this porridge. And yeah, family. So this is how I do it in the morning. I'll make a full morning vlog, but I just want to finish up that vlog for you. Let me finish up this by making this smoothie for you guys, family. So this is what I do every morning. I'll make a fruit smoothie. I have the baobab fruit powder. You will get it from Vegan Choice Foods, family. Rich in so much minerals. Just research it on Google, baobab fruit powder, and you'll see everything. So let's continue. Let me make this smoothie for you while I watch this porridge boil. Very tasty. You gotta try this. Caribbean people know this. This is how we used to do it back in Jamaica growing up.